We've seen quite a bit of snow this month so far, with maybe some more on the way this week. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko working for you with how February can be a pretty snowy month.
Well, Ciara, historically, some of the biggest snowstorms and blizzards we have seen have occurred during the month of February. Western Massachusetts picked up between 2 and 5 inches of snow on Tuesday, and we've seen quite a bit of snow since the month started. We flew Skyview 22 over some neighborhoods in Westfield, and you can see all the snow on the ground, and it continues to pile up. On average, we get 12.9 inches of snow in the Springfield area during the month of February. So far this month, we're above average with 15 inches of snow reported at Westover Air Reserve Base in Chicopee. In the past, some of our biggest snowstorms have occurred during the month of February. There was the blizzard of '78 and the blizzard of 2013 that both brought around 20 inches of snow. Some other big storms include February 15th to 17th in 1958, February 5th through 6th in 2001, and February 17th through 18th in 2003.